Helo, eirian dwi. Dyma uned 7. Yn uned 7, da ni'n gofyn ag ateb cwestiynau, asking and answering questions am bobl a phethau, about people and things, okay? Felly, yn gyntaf, first, some information. Nia ydy hi, a chi? Nia ydy hi. Nyrs ydy hi. Nyrs ydy hi. Iawn? Marc ydy o. Chi? Marc ydy o. Mechanic ydy o. Mechanic ydy o. So, when we start with the name or the job or any noun, we follow with ydy. It's emphatic. Marc ydy o. If we're asking a question, pwy and be, we also use ydy. Felly, pwy ydy o? Ateb? Marc ydy o. Be ydy o? Ateb? Mechanic ydy o. Now, you ask the question. Pwy ydy hi? Nia ydy hi. Be ydy hi? Nurse ydy hi. The yes-no here is ia or naki. Ia, naki. You might hear na, but generally ia, naki. Okay. Nia ydy hi. Ia. Nurse ydy hi. Ia. Hiw ydy o. Naci, Marc ydy o. Tiwtor Cymraeg ydy o. Naci, mechanic ydy o. To ask a question, is he or is she, we say ydy o, ydy hi. Iawn. Ydy o'n chwarae golf? The answer is ydy or nac ydy. Ydy o'n chwarae criced? Nac ydy. Ydy o'n chwarae tennis? Nac ydy. It's the same with adjectives, okay, felly. Ydy hi'n hapus? Ydy. Ydy o'n hapus? Nac ydy. Iawn, okay. The plural is ydyn, nac ydyn. In the question, ydyn nhw, and the answer, ydyn, nac ydyn. Okay. Ydyn nhw'n hapus? Ydyn. Ydyn nhw'n hapus? Nac ydyn. Negative, dydyn nhw ddim yn hapus. A chi? Dydyn nhw ddim yn hapus. Dydy'r gêm ddim yn dda. A chi? Dydy'r gêm ddim yn dda. Yeah? Okay. Felly, that's the whole pattern. Edrychwch yn help llaw. Look in help llaw and you'll see it all written down. Yeah? Dau beth arall, 2 other things. Arian, pres, money. Okay? Now, money, to ask how much something is, we say faint ydy o. Or we can say faint ydy'r coffi. Okay? Faint ydy o. Faint ydy o. Faint ydy hi, if you know the words feminine, or faint ydyn nhw, if it's plural. Yeah? Okay. Ond, un peth, remember, cofiwch, money itself is feminine. Yeah? Felly, this is pint. Ond, 2 bint. A chi? 2 bint. tair punt. Okay? Tair punt. Pedair punt. Okay? Pedair punt. Wedyn, 5 punt a mwy and more, dim problem. There's no extra feminine numbers, okay? Ond punt, 2, tair, pedair. We'll do more of this later on. Okay? Felly, ymarfer, practice. Amser paned. Amser paned. O, bisgedi. Right, nhw. So ask, how much are they? Faint ydyn nhw? Ateb? Punt. Iawn? Te. Te, ddo. Ask. Faint ydy o? Ateb? 2 bunt. Cacen. Y gacen. Feminine, hi. Faint ydy hi? Tair punt. Canola, last. Coffee. Ddo. Faint ydy o? Pedair punt. A dyna ni. We'll do more of this later. Yeah? Ond, amser. Amser. A little taste of amser. Yeah? O'clock is o'r gloch. Okay? The question isn't in this unit, but faint o'r gloch ydy hi? What time is it? What time is it? And you answer 1 o'r gloch. A chi? 1 o'r gloch. Triple more. Faint o'r gloch ydy hi? 6 o'r gloch. So dim problem efo'r rhifau, ond efo amser with time, special word, 11. Say 11. 11 o'r gloch a 12 o'r gloch. Hefyd, if you want to say midday, it's hanner dydd, and midnight is hanner nos. We'll do more of amser as well later on. Felly, dyna ni. Hwyl am y tro.